Good afternoon, warm welcome at DSL. So in front of us we have got a daily chart of Coforge Limited. The one thing which I am seeing the stock is that the stock is extremely graciously great. If you see the structure of the Coforge, the stock is making higher highs and higher lows, and you have to understand this in the backdrop of IT, the pain through which the IT sector is going on. If you see the heavyweights, either it is TCS or either it is Infosys, either it is Wipro, they are making lower lows, lower highs. They are not only making every time, by each passing day they are creating a new lows. If in that backdrop, if you see this stock, relatively this stock is a beautifully placed. And the RSI for all the stocks, whether it is Infosys, whether it is TCS, their RSI is at below 30 level. If you see the RSI of this stock, I can show you the RSI of this stock, and RSI is at 56.20 level, which is not at all bad if you consider the pain through which the IT sector is going, the disruption created by AI. The people are not able to understand what to do in IT stocks. A total confusion is going on. How much disruption AI is going to create, that nobody knows. So when you compare Coforge with all the rest of the IT stocks, then you can undoubtedly say that the stock is now also, it is structurally better. The stock is structurally better. The fundamentally also it is better. Structurally also better. Now also you can see there is no sign of weakness in the stock. Now also it is holding its head above, and it is either if I can see what is the super trend has to say, either is positive or negative. See the super trend is also positive. You can see the super trend is, and it is well above the base of the super trend. So that is the strength of the stock. That is the power of a stock which we have to identify. See, it is the super trend is also positive, and the stock is also trading above 20-day SMA, and I will check it out whether it is above 50-day or below 50-day. See, the stock is above 50 days in all the parameters. 20-day SMA, 50-day SMA, super trend, RSI, ADX, the stock is doing extremely well. So I think this is a very difficult time. As of now, it's a very difficult time to take a call on IT pack. It's very difficult because when you are seeing everything is falling from heavyweight TCS to Infosys to Wipro, then it would be a very difficult call. But if I have to pick one stock from IT, if I have to do a sip in one stock of IT, then that is going to be undoubtedly Coforge. I have made many videos in Coforge. I have made many videos in Persistent. I have made many videos in Infosys. I have made many videos TCS. So every time the one thing which I told is that Coforge and Persistent these are the two stocks in mid IT pack which are doing very well, which are doing extremely well. But in the last 2 days, the Persistent had there was a 10% fall in the Persistent because they had an acquisition with a German company. So they have brought that German company at a higher rate. That's what the market is seeing. That 81 euro. That is what they have paid for the German company. So a Persistent, there was a 10 to 12% fall in the Persistent. But then also Persistent is also good. But comparatively, if you see the Coforge, there is no doubt the best stock in IT pack as also now. So it will be very reasonable if we can do a sip in the stock. But as Warren Buffett has said, when everybody is in fearful, that's the time when we have to show the courage. And if we show the courage at this time with doing a small sip, I think that the stock is going to handsomely reward in the coming days. The structure of the stock is now also it's standing. There is no weakness in the stock. There is good. So for today we'll keep this much only, friends. Again we'll meet in the next video. Till then, good luck, bye bye, take care, love you all. Thank you, friends.